Hi Douglas Fir, how's everyone doing today? Thanks for joining me here. When I was at school recently and going on a walk near the creek, I noticed that some of the goslings have hatched and are out. And even on our playground, near where we do car line over by the upper elementary class, in one of the garden beds, a mother duck made a nest and laid its eggs. So I thought we should learn all about birds. Today at Circle, I asked what did you guys already know about birds, and here is what you shared. About birds, we know that birds are animals, that birds have wings to fly, that birds lay eggs, birds build nests. I had to write it down in some other colors because my markers were running out. Some birds are nocturnal when they're awake at night and asleep during the day. A crow can eat a bunny. We saw that one year on our playground. Some birds can run fast. Some birds hop. And birds have feathers. Let's see what else we can learn. It's our book about birds by Catherine Sill, illustrated by John Sill. Birds have feathers. This is a northern cardinal. Baby birds hatch from eggs. Here's an American robin. Notice the color of the eggs. Some birds make their nests on the ground. This is an oven bird. Does it kind of look like maybe like a little pizza oven? Some birds build their nests in very high places, like the bald eagle. Have you seen a bald eagle flying around near here? And some birds do not build nests at all. This is a common mirror, maybe kind of like a penguin. Birds travel in different ways. Here are the Canadian geese. You see what shape that they're flying and traveling in? Most birds fly, but not all of them. Here's a ruby-throated hummingbird. Some birds swim. Here are wood ducks. And others run, like a road runner running across the desert. Birds may flock together. Here are the red-winged blackbirds. We see many crows flocking together near our school in the evening. Some birds like to live alone. This is a great horned owl. Birds use their beaks or bills to gather food. Their beaks are shaped in different ways to help them get the food that is just right for them. A hummingbird's long, narrow beak is for getting nectar. We've got the evening grosbeak that is perfect for getting little seeds. What about the great blue heron? Has a nice long beak ready for catching fish. The cedar waxwing has a beak just for eating berries and little seeds. And the flycatcher, yes, has a beak for catching flies. Birds sing to let other birds know how they're feeling and where they are. These are indigo buntings. Birds come in all sizes. Birds are important to us. The end. I want to share some of the things from birds that I've found over the years, or that friends have given me. Here are some of the different things I have. Oh, these feathers are so light, they're blowing away. These are goose feathers, the Canadian geese from over by our school. See that they start to get really big. This is a great horned owl. great horned owl feather is really quiet. They are very sneaky when they fly. Here are some of the baby great horned owl feathers. You can see how fluffy they are. What do you think these are? These are from a red-tailed hawk. You can see the pattern on there and the length. They're much more narrow. And over here we have some nests. You see these nests? Different nests from different birds. This one, you see the little black hairs in there? They use a lot of grasses, some leaves, and even some black horsehair. This nest, oh, there's even plastic in there. They just use what they can find, little leaves, sticks, string, and a little hummingbird nest. Use a lot of little cotton, super soft, even some lichen, some little seeds in there. Can you imagine how tiny those little eggs are in that nest? And part of, yes, the robin egg. A robin egg that hatched and their shell fell out. You can see that nice blue. Okay, let's see, what are the parts of a bird? All birds have a beak, sometimes called a bill. Birds have a head. Their head, they have 2 eyes. Birds have a back. Birds have wings, 2 wings. Most birds use their wings to fly. Birds have a breast. A robin's breast is red. Birds have 2 legs, and on their legs they have claws. And birds have a tail. Some can be very long, some are short, and the birds are covered in feathers. There's the parts of the bird. I've noticed 3 types of birds that usually come to visit my yard at least once a day. The dark-eyed junco. This is the male. The female's a little more gray. A crow. They can be very loud when they caw. And a spotted towhee to hop around through my garden. I wonder what kind of birds you've seen in your yard or on walks. Maybe you could write the names of them down if you know them, or you could draw pictures of them. What are they doing? What's similar or different? What do you think they eat? Can you hear them make sounds? What else should we learn about birds? What do you want to know? Have fun!